Alright kids, today we've got the Studio Classic JCM800 SC20C. It's a 20/5 watt tube amp, reissue of the famous JCM800. Stock speaker, Gibson SG standard, stock pickups 2005 SG, and I've got a dispatch master delay / reverb in the loop. The delay's off, the reverb is on. And I'm also going to show you two pedals two different ones. The Metropolous Supa-Boost, which essentially is just a boost, but a really good boost pedal, and the Wampler Pantheon overdrive, which I've actually set to mimic the settings on the Supa-Boost. So they're set kind of equal. You guys can tell me which one you prefer. Let's go. Here we go. The gain on the amp, I'm in the high input. Preamp is almost dimed, and master is just above 2. Trebles at 4. Middles just under 2. Bass is cranked. That's something I'm going to have to address. I would like a little more low end. I just ordered a warehouse ET65 10-inch to throw in here. I'm a huge fan of those speakers, especially considering the price, but more importantly, they sound amazing. And presence is at 0. This is a super bright amp, so you don't need treble or presence. So here we go. So without any pedals, here's the Supa-Boost. Without, with, I should mention that the gain is really hard to read the labels on this damn pedal. That's my biggest complaint. The gain is at noon, so more than enough. To be honest, I wouldn't really want more than that. So the Pantheon, both dip switches are set down. Volumes at 1 o'clock and gains at noon. So here's clean. Well, not really clean, but without the pedal. With the pedal. Without. With. to the amp. Supa-Boost. The Supa-Boost gives me the bass, it gives me that low end that just fills the tone perfect for me. And the Pantheon also has a lot of, the Pantheon has bass, treble, presence, volume, and gain knobs. And the Supa-Boost has treble, middle, bass, and gain. So both can give you a lot of EQ. I think they're both fantastic pedals. I can't even really decide which one I prefer. In terms of pure boost, the Supa-Boost is the best boost I've ever owned. They are designed to work specifically well with Marshall style circuits. You can check them out at Metropolous Amps. And the Wampler Pantheon, I've been very, very impressed. The Pantheon is capable of insane amounts of gain when you pair it with a JCM800, for example. I'll show you. So this is with the dip switch on the left, which is the gain level set to low. So this is how it sounds low. This is set to medium. Like just insane. The amp's feeding back like crazy. This is with the gain all the way to the top. It's too much. All you would ever need is, and again, the gain's at noon, so. Love this Studio Classic series. I've got the 20 watt Plexi upstairs, which is my main gigging amp, and I just had to get the JCM800. Stay safe, bitches. Cheers.